What's happening YouTube? We've got another video here. I'm going to show you how I got a six pack in 60 days. So first what we're going to do is check what date it is today. Okay, 1 second. We're using my son's iPad, so we've got 25th of October. My weight is 74.9 kilograms. And here I am. I'm looking okay, but we're not lean enough.
We'll see you in 60 days.
So this is me just getting ready for a 10-mile run. I like to jog daily or do cycling daily. So what I do is I eat around maintenance calories, but I burn off 500 calories each day from doing cardio. On the 8th mile. Still out here. You don't need to jog every day. You can actually do walking, which is low intensity cardio, which still burns calories. And if you don't want to do any cardio, you can just lose weight by reducing your calories. So I'm eating at maintenance calories and doing 500 to 800 calories every day by burning it by cardio. But you can reduce your calorie intake by just eating less food. You want to be lifting weights at least 5 times a week. Train each body part twice a week. You want to be going to around 8 to 12 reps of failure. You want to be focusing on proper form and not ego lifting. Make sure you're eating a high protein diet so your muscles will recover and repair faster. You're in a calorie deficit, so if you're not eating enough protein and you're not lifting weights, you will lose muscle, which is critical. You only want to lose fat.
And we are back 60 days later. So what we're going to do is check the time, check the date.
So we've got a phone here. And it is 25th of December, 8:01 in the morning. How long ago was October 25th, 2024? So it was 60 days, so it's been 60 days. So let's check the physique. Scales. 70.5 kilograms. I was 74.9 kilograms, so I've lost 4.4 kilograms in 60 days of fat. So now let's check the physique again. And there we have it. We have achieved a six-pack. We have defined abs. We're looking a lot more leaner, a lot more ripped, just from losing that 4.4 kilograms in 60 days.
So there we have it. "60 days.